Hi guys, my name is Tejaswini. I am from Team 3KM and welcome to the day 2 of our campaign, which is called Unmasking the Heroes. I'm gonna wait for people to join so that Hi Anshul. I've seen you've joined and we'll just wait for other people to join so that सगळे आले की we can start the live video, like we can interact. Till other people join, I'm just going to quickly tell you all ki what is this campaign about. In case if you have missed out on day 1, I'm going to quickly brief you about this. I'm going to keep the language, like I'm going to keep switching between languages. Hindi, kadi Marathi, kadi English, असं मी करत राहीन so that everybody understands and everyone can connect with us, okay? तो ये idea हमारे दिमाग में तब आया था to unmask the heroes of our city when a colleague of ours forwarded an article, okay? And उस article में ऐसा लिखा था कि एक स्कॉटिश लड़की नाम की हमारे पुणे में एक बहुत ही अच्छा नेक काम करने वाली इंसान हमारे पुणे सिटी में है एंड तिने आतापर्यंत 3,500 प्लस टिफिन्स आपल्या पुण्यातल्या लोकांना सर्व केलेले आहेत अँड दॅट इज प्युअरली लाईक ॲब्सल्युटली सेल्फलेस मोटोनी तिने हे काम केलेलं सुरुवात केली होती याची जस्ट टू make sure that people in our city do not suffer. जो अभी कोविड की जो सिचुएशन है उसकी वजह से जो हमारे वॉरियर्स है जो लोग इस सिचुएशन से गुजर रहे हैं, probably there are so many people out there who are at a very crucial stage in their lives and they're not getting the appropriate help, they're not getting the help that they need. तो हमने सोचा कि why not do a series, why not do a campaign for all these amazing warriors, amazing helpers जो बिना किसी expectation से they are just working with only one goal in their mind and that is to help people. तो ये सब सोचने के बाद we decided that we want to probably take this ahead just one तो ये हमने बहुत सारा प्लानिंग किया इसके पीछे. वी काइंड ऑफ thought about this. Hi Devyani.
Hello.
Hi. So guys, she's my colleague. Her name is Devyani and she is like Devyani and we have been planning this since a very long time and we thought that आज लाइव सेशन में अगर किसी ने day 1 मिस किया है तो I thought we should share कि हमने क्या क्या किया and why are we doing this. So Devyani, do you want to share it in Marathi? I was talking in English and Hindi the whole time. Do you want to take it ahead and tell this in Marathi की का आपण हे करतोय?
Okay. So असे अनेक लोक आहेत जे आपण ज्यांना फ्रंटलाईन वर्कर्स म्हणतो. ते फ्रंटलाईन वर्कर्स नसूनही या कोविडच्या काळात लोकांना हेल्प करतात. सो मला असं वाटतं की खूप महत्वाचं आहे की आपण त्यांची आपण त्यांना अप्रिशिएट करायला पाहिजे. आपण ते जे काही करतात त्यांच्या सगळ्या एफर्ट्सला कुणीतरी अप्रिशिएट केलं पाहिजे. म्हणजे ते कितीही मिनिमल असो, म्हणजे त्यांनी डब्बे पोचवणं असो किंवा एक सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट असो, इंस्टाग्रामवरती एखादा एक मेसेज देणं ही पण एक खूप इम्पॉर्टंट गोष्ट आहे. विच इज वाय आय थिंक आपण हे कॅम्पेन चालू केलं, द मास्क्ड हिरोज. बिकॉज अनेक लोक आहेत जे ज्यांना आपण मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स म्हणतो किंवा इन्फ्लुएन्सर्स म्हणतो आणि आपण कितीही नाही म्हटलं तरी त्यांचा खूप इम्पॅक्ट होतो आपल्या आयुष्यावर. बिकॉज स्पेशली लॉकडाऊनच्या काळात आपण कंटिन्युअसली फोन्सवरच असतो. म्हणजे सोशल मीडिया हे एकच आय थिंक मेन माध्यम आहे ज्याच्यातनं आपण लोकांची कनेक्टेड राहू शकतो, ज्याच्यातनं आपण लोकांशी बोलू शकतो. सो आय थिंक त्याच्यामुळेच द मास्क्ड हिरोज हे कॅम्पेन चालू केलं. सो आज आपल्याबरोबर जे जोडणार आहेत त्या पण एक स्पिरिच्युअल गाईड किंवा स्पिरिच्युअल गाईड आणि त्यांनी पण खूप काम केलंय थ्रू आउट द लॉकडाऊन हेल्प करण्यात, मोटिवेट करण्यात. So yeah,
I think she is wearing a very difficult mask right now. It's in these times जब हम लोगों को पता नहीं होता है कि आसपास क्या चल रहा है, दूसरे लोगों को मोटिवेट करना is a next level thing altogether.
exactly.
So I think we should just add her to this room. I'm going to try to add her in this room. Um, yeah, okay. I've sent her an invitation. So let her join. So yeah, let's take it ahead, sir. For all those people जिन्होंने हमें join किया है, if you have any questions, hi Anshul.
Hi, namaskar.
Namaskar.
Nice. It's nice to see you after such a long time. Hi, Devyani ji. पहिल्यांदा
Hello.
भेटलो आपण.
So I think I will let you guys continue, and I will
Yes.
stay for the question and answer rounds. See you.
Definitely. If I miss out
Thank
any
you.
questions, Devyani, please let me know. Okay.
Of course, yeah. Okay.
Bye. Hi, Anshul.
Hi.
So, firstly, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for doing this. बस 2 मिनट पहले मैंने देवयानी से यही कहा कि जब लोगों की मोटिवेशन ही खत्म हो गई है, लोग ऐसे हालत में भी पहुंच गए हैं कि what is happening, why is this happening, and they like everyone around me, everyone in my life I have been meeting, talking to, listening has been saying this ki kyun, why, like why aren't we getting out of this loop? It is exactly what was happening. It's like a replica जो last year हो रहा था वही इस साल भी हो रहा है. And इस ऐसे समय में आपने एक्चुअल में मतलब जो मास्क पहन के जो आप हीरो बनी और लोगों को मोटिवेट कर रही है, यू आर टॉकिंग टू पीपल, यू आर गाइडिंग देम, यू आर हेल्पिंग देम गेट थ्रू दिस. आई थॉट इट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट to talk about mental health and peace in these times. And without further ado, जिन्होंने अभी join किया है, I think they're waiting for what you want to say to them. I am waiting for what you want to talk to us about. Obviously we are going to focus on mental health and how do we go about this, how do we get through this situation. आप हमें अच्छे से गाइड कर सकती है. If you can keep switching between languages, तो जिनको मराठी ज्यादा समझ में नहीं आती है तो even they will be able to connect with us.
Sure. Hindi, Marathi, and English is all right. That's a mixture.
Yes.
Perfect. Namaskar to everyone. Thank you for joining, and thank you, Tejaswini. I end up calling you Vinny or Tejaswini because of the old time sake. But thank you for having me on board. Yes, it has been difficult for a lot of people in terms of coping with the situation. क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें जो इस पिछले एक नहीं एक्चुअली 1.5-2 साल में घटी है. दिस स्टार्टेड लाइक अ year and a half, 2 years back, and धीरे धीरे करके because slowly it is moved from one country to another country to another country, and then suddenly it's like it's seen like a spike up, and people have gone through a lot of mental trauma ह्या period मध्ये. And unfortunately म्हणायचं तरी खूप लोकांना they have also wanted to get into peace and mental peace, and because they're so frustrated and they're angry, आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये लोकांना कळतच नाहीये की खरंच फ्रस्ट्रेशन आहे की स्वतःवरचा राग आहे की काही कळतच नाही, त्याचा इश्यू आहे. what is the actual problem also people are not able to figure out. Now many times people come to me and ask me ki, can you please help meditation asel kiva psychologically if you're trying to understand a person. Many times people ask questions like, I want peace, and you also said the same thing. People want peace and they want like a peace of mind and they want calm, and I was smiling when you said that because because everybody wants that. And the fact, and this is the best time to get it. Ironically speaking, when things go really bad in life is the best time to open up the Pandora's box. कि खरोखर इशू काय आहे, कि एक्चुअल में इशू आपका क्या है. अगर आप फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो तो आप उस पे पीपल से कि मैं मेडिटेशन का क्लास लेके 4 दिन मेडिटेट किया और ठीक हो गया, आई एम फीलिंग बेटर. वो तो ऐसा हो गया जैसे आपने कोई खराब दीवार पे पेंट लगा दिया and nicely fragrance the room out and it is looking nice. But what does not happen is people are not really trying to figure out ha issue kutha hai.
Correct.
So the issue is not really you getting angry or wanting peace. The issue is really what is troubling you is something within.
करेक्ट.
तर ते जर आपण शोधायला गेलं, आणि ते सोपं नसतं, बिकॉज वन्स यू स्टार्ट ओपनिंग द कॅन नो, खूप साऱ्या गोष्टी त्याच्यातनं निघतात.
करेक्ट.
आणि while doing that also, some people don't really want to go very deep into it,
They don't
and
want to
some people
talk
just
about
want
it
to.
also.
No, they will not talk. Usually, I've noticed when we have like groups and stuff, people don't speak, but people call back later and say, then they speak for hours together. I've spent like 2 o'clock in the morning talking to somebody. But aisa hua, but वैसे, and the thing is, they just want to speak.
Yeah, yeah.
Now, the thing over here is also कि तुम्हाला बोलायचं तर खूप छान आहे, you kind of vent it out, speak it out. But
Correct.
do you really want a solution to it? That's a question everybody has to ask. Or do you just want to talk about it?
Correct. But isn't talking like one of the solutions? मतलब बात करने से, don't you think it like venting out is also one of the solutions?
Correct, it is. But there is a borderline. There is a line where venting out becomes whining.
Correct.
Okay, and many times people don't realize that this is a very dangerous line to cross. जेव्हा आपण वेंट आउट करतो ना, you went out and you speak, which is extremely important because it gets out of your system.
Correct. Correct.
I know it's and मी म्हणते जर कोणी नसेल तर आरशासमोर बोला.
Yeah.
But you have to use the words. The words have to come out of your mouth and they have to ring in your ears.
Correct.
Like physically hear, you should be able to hear it out. But after that, the tricky part is after you've already spoken, कुठं ती line draw करायची.
बरोबर.
Okay, now this is it, I accept. But what happens mostly, and I've noticed in the last a year, that people don't want to accept the situation.
Correct. Correct.
When the situation is not accepted, it gets worse. Because you're pushing it away. लहान पोरासारखं आहे, तर तुम्ही push करणार, they start screaming.
Yeah.
The more you push, the more it will scream. If you say, okay, fine, you're there, now what? And then suddenly you will start to cope with it. You'll become agile with it. And that's what is important. खूप साऱ्या गोष्टी करू शकतात लोक, they can speak, they can vent it out, they can, meditation is a very, very abused word. So I will speak about it when you ask me what and how to do it.
Yes, for sure. Now that we're talking about people not expressing or not sharing, or even if they went out, there's a thin line, like you said. I want to ask you कि what about those जिन्होंने probably ये पूरे साल में या 1.5 साल में जिन्होंने बहुत सारा नुकसान experience किया, probably financially या family में कुछ हो, personally trauma, or maybe they have lost someone near to them. Yeah, somebody special, somebody from their family, relatives. So, there's so many people out there जिनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ये सब चीजों को channelize कैसा, मतलब how do we face this? How do we go about it? Because this is not something that people are comfortable talking about, right? अगर हमारे घर में, like example, अगर मेरे घर में कभी ऐसा situation हो कि nothing seems right, या मेरे family में कुछ issues चल रहे, I probably will not talk to anyone about it. I'll keep it to myself and I'll be like, जाने दो, like why to bother other people? Yeah, probably they won't understand. I'll have that fear constantly. What if they judge? What if they feel that I'm a crybaby? I'm just complaining. I'm just cribbing. So how do these people cope with such a situation?
Now, let me ask you, it's a counter question. Do you want a regular general answer, or do you want a very spiritually oriented answer?
It's totally up to you. You are the coach.
I'll give you both. I'll give you both the answers, okay? Because अगर आपको, not everybody is very aware spiritually, कि हर कोई उस line में, उस path में उतना अग्रसर नहीं है. तो जो लोगों को general जो face करते हैं issue, उनके लिए बहुत important हो जाएगा कि बोलना. Even if it is to a friend or a family member or to any loved one, to speak exactly how you're feeling. When you express how you feel, the emotions drop down. हमारे जिंदगी में the grief that we have also, when नुकसान जब हम बोलते हैं, financial नुकसान तो बाद तक समझ में आता है because it is money that is going out of your pocket. But even when you lose a loved one, for example, तो कोई भी ग्रीव जो होता है ना, जो दुख होता है ना, वो 24 घंटे के ऊपर टिकता नहीं है. This might sound very weird to you,
It is not weird, but it's surprising. I mean, I'm amused.
Yes. Because उसके बाद जो होता है ना, वो है हमारा mental and psychological anchor to the grief that we have. कि हाय अगर मैंने if I'm not upset तो फिर कैसा होगा? No, I have to be upset.
Okay.
You miss a person, you miss a situation, but you miss it and you have to move. And your consciousness will move. You really move forward. But what makes you really cry and cry and cry is because your identity is stuck with that.
Okay.
And that is आप दुखी होके दिखा दीजिए मुझे 24 घंटे 24 hours in a row continuously try to cry. It's not possible.
Yeah.
So
True.
after some time, your grief really becomes an habit. Because उससे हमको सांत्वना, you know, that sympathy that we gain for ourselves.
Correct.
स्वतःला सांत्वना मिळतो ना की हाय माझ्यावर असं झालं, खूप वाईट झालं, असं नाही झालं पाहिजे होतं. Then we start playing that demand and supply वाला. Now if you do this to me, I will let this go. Then you start playing games with God, whoever it is. All of those things start happening. And माझं एवढंच म्हणणं आहे की ज्या लोक जसा when we start doing these things, no, let's start becoming very aware about the fact that we are really doing this.
Yeah.
And people who are losing like money, for example, and it's mentally very harassing for people who've lost a lot of money. Businesses have gone, you know, businesses have stopped for a lot of people, and work inflow is less, income is less. Now I'll move the needle a little towards more spiritual angle, because this whole pandemic that is happening now, it is a very spiritual aspect for a lot of people.
Yeah.
Whatever is happening, it's giving you and me and everybody a very important lesson to learn, which is acceptance. कि हे असं घडलं आहे. And
Correct.
we have to learn to deal with that situation. Now, if you start cribbing about the fact, and I'm not saying in a bad way cribbing, but if you start worrying about, oh, I've lost the money, your subconscious is going to take that you've lost the money. It will make it very difficult for you to earn it again.
Mm.
So you are unconsciously playing the law of attraction manifestation in the ulta way that you really want. So whoever has lost money, who has lost work, or who needs more work, focus on what you really want. We're all facing through that issue. And त्याच्यामध्ये, if you start manifesting the basic aspect of, let's say, for somebody health or wealth or whatever. And त्याच्यामध्ये पण मी म्हणते, a lot of people come to me and tell me कि, but ma'am, manifestation is not working. हमने बहुत किया, you know, it doesn't work. And आप बोल रहे हो, but doesn't work. That doesn't work because you internally do not feel that you're worthy of it.
Okay.
So वरच्या वरती आपण बोलतो, पण internally what are you feeling? No, पण मला नाही होणार. I may not have that money. So for those people who are not confident about how they probably need to work, then they need to just focus on whatever they want. Health, money, wealth, finance, whatever. पण तो एकच शब्द धरा आणि त्याला repeat करा.
Correct.
Do not add adjectives to it or pronouns or nouns to it.
Correct.
Many times we say, you know, when we are feeling low, please do affirmations. You'll feel better. Affirmations, whether we use now and etc. But if your mind is not that strong, don't use now, don't use anything. Just use the word. Your consciousness will attract that word. It does not understand any nouns, pronouns. Leave it.
Can we also I'm sorry I'm interrupting, but it's a very interesting point that you're saying, that you focus on the word and you keep repeating that and not add adjectives to it. So I'm going to translate my question in both Marathi and I'm going to ask it in Hindi and English. So can we also apply this to, you know, situations where we probably like, how do I put it? I mean, suppose if like a relationship is not working, or say something's not okay in the family, or multiple things are crashing at the same time. Okay, so so when you say focus on one word, are you trying to tell me ki आता एवढ्या सगळ्या गोष्टी घडतायत तर त्यातल्या वन स्टेप ऍट अ टाइमनी ह्याच्याकडे लुकआउट करायचा? म्हणजे आता ज्यांच्या लाईफमध्ये असं झालंय की फायनान्शियली पण अनस्टेबिलिटी आली आहे, घरी पण काहीतरी इश्यू झालाय, कोविडमुळे काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम झाला असू शकतो, तर हे सगळं मेंटल प्रेशर एखाद्या व्यक्तीला म्हणजे तो कसा टॅकल करेल, वो कैसे ये सारे प्रेशर्स को एकदम से टैकल कर सकता है. इवन इफ ही ट्राइज टू फोकस ऑन वन वर्ड कि नहीं, पहले आई विल ट्राई टू फोकस ऑन कि नहीं मेरा ये लॉस हुआ है, आई हैव लॉस्ट समबडी एंड आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सेप्ट दैट. बट उसके दिमाग में एट द बैक ऑफ द हेड समवेयर इज लाइक फाइनेंसेस, मेरा धंधा नहीं चल रहा है, मेरा बिजनेस नहीं हो रहा है, या मेरा जॉब में ऐसा हो रहा है. या हाउ डू दीज पीपल लाइक टैकल इट मेंटली, कैसे इसको टैकल करें?
ओके, सो फॉर दीज पीपल जिनके साथ मल्टीपल इश्यूज हैं, उनके साथ, उनके लिए पहली चीज तो एक्सेप्टेंस. मैं पहले ही बोल देती हूँ कि ये चीज घटी है, अंडरस्टूड. ओके, एंड स्टॉप प्लेइंग द बार्गेनिंग गेम विद इट, because that is not really going to get you anywhere. It's just going to really waste your time. Second, when we say focus on only one word, त्याला पण एक शब्द आहे ना, abundance. Because that word is what? You are not putting any adjective to it or noun to it. No, money, abundance, health, abundance. तसलं काही टाकायचं नाही. Abundance is one word. So your mind, if you repeat it, and you have to feel it. And now you can feel it because you know the meaning of the word.
करेक्ट.
तुम्हाला शब्दाचा अर्थ, शब्दार्थ माहिती आहे. तुम्ही त्याला भावार्थ नाही लावलाय. तुमच्या भावना आपकी उसमें आपने जोड़ी नहीं है. आपने सिर्फ शब्द का अर्थ लिया है और आपके कॉन्शियस माइंड को शब्द का अर्थ पता है. अब जब शब्द का अर्थ पता है तो योर कॉन्शियस माइंड विल अट्रैक्ट वॉट एवर इज द मीनिंग टू द वर्ड, एंड नेचुरली इट विल बी टू यू ओनली. नो, because if you try telling yourself, no, I'm calm, when you are not calm, it's not possible. Your mind will tell you कि पागल बनाना बंद कर, I know you're not calm, I'm not going to give it to you. Right? It is going to tell you that. So just don't say कि okay, I'm calm now, I'm abundant now. If you are not in that mental state to say those words with now, which जैसे affirmations use होते हैं, then you just say the word. Like I said, शब्दार्थ घ्या, भावार्थ घेऊ नका. भावना साईडला सोडा, अर्थ शब्दाचा घ्यायचा, आणि नॅचरली जो शब्दाचा अर्थ आहे तो तुमचा कॉन्शियसनेस विल अट्रॅक्ट दॅट एनी विच वेज, अँड सो इट विल गेट अट्रॅक्टेड slowly your wavelength or your frequency. I remember we speaking about frequency about 5 years back, and our frequency will reach on that level where it is the same meaning of that word. आणि मग ते फ्लो होतच राहील. तर त्याला प्रॉब्लेम. So people who have lost also, it's difficult. It's a difficult time. And a lot of people have lost a lot of loved ones, unfortunately, at time madhe, brother, sister, family, parents, etc. We have to understand from a very spiritual angle that neither you and me, I'm also not going to live. I do not even know. Maybe udhar rahil ki aaj nahi. Maybe I will not even see the sunrise tomorrow. We don't know, no? So whatever we have, I'm telling you this, everybody who is listening, COVID has given everyone such a beautiful opportunity to wake up and understand that you do not know if you'll survive the next day.
Absolutely.
Okay. And if you do not know you're not going to survive the next day, Baba utha ata, meherbani kara. Wake up and start questioning the right questions of your life instead of wasting time on whatever you're wasting time on. Because one day, I happened to me like a couple of days back and I was sleeping. I usually do this, I just put my hands and limbs like that as if you're dead. And you're thinking, and I like to do that every night. So I'm thinking and I'm saying, okay, what if I don't wake up? And have I done enough? And suddenly, even for me, I realized, no, but I still need to study more. I mean, there's a lot for me to, experience in terms of human life. Spiritual being that तुम्ही already आहातच ना. You have to experience the human life. And तुमची साधना बाकी है. So why are you wasting time? In the middle of the night, I got up and I said, I want to meditate now. I can't waste more time.
Correct.
Because that is urgency. You understand. तुम्ही नाहीतर when you, it might sound very rude and might sound very, very blunt. पण जर this unfortunately pandemic आहे, पण fortunately आपल्याला सगळ्यांना एक वेकअप कॉल आहे ह्या गोष्टीचा. And seeing, how much you can really understand how much of frustration is happening. Frustration, irritation, anger, relationship issues are to another level in this time.
Yes, Absolutely. The last point that you made is very interesting. I was going to ask you something about that, but before I go there, I just want to tell everyone who's watching, if you have any questions, अगर आपको कुछ पूछना है अंशुल जी से, तो please just drop in your question below, like put it in the comment below, and I will read it out to her. Or you can
Thank
just
you.
send us a request, like to join the video. I will add you to the video so that you can directly talk to her. So yeah, Anshul, I have a question for you. And I don't know, बहुत सारे लोगों का ये मानना है कि मतलब जब हम बात करते हैं ना नॉर्मली लोगों से, ऊपर ऊपर जब बातें करते हैं, चाहे वो ऑफिस में हो, फ्रेंड सर्कल में हो, आउटिंग्स हो, फोन पे हो, तो जनरली व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग ऑन अ वेरी दिस लेवल की हाँ हाय हाउ आर यू, व्हाट आर यू अप टू, व्हाट्सअप यो, ऐसे ऐसे लेवल पे जब बात करते हैं, so everyone seems fine, right? But if we poke a person, if we dig deep, थोड़ा सा और उसको हम लोग ट्रिगर करने की कोशिश करते हैं. So what's been up in your life? Has there been any situation that you want to talk about? तो लोगों को ये रियलाइज नहीं होता है कि जब वो थिंक करने लगते हैं, या अगर उन मतलब वो कोई प्रॉब्लम फेस करें, मेंटल हेल्थ उनकी अगर स्टेबल नहीं है. नाउ अगेन, आई एम नॉट द राइट पर्सन टू टेल if I'm mentally healthy or not. Obviously you will be able to guide all of us better. How to identify whether a person is mentally healthy or not? Like how do I know कि मुझ में 1% भी वो थोड़ा सा है कि mentally I'm not okay and I need to think about it, I need to do something about it. How will I know that? क्योंकि बहुत बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि ना that you and I are talking, I'll be like, hi Anshul, I'm fine, and that's normal. And then when I end this live, I'll start thinking deeply on the things that you've said, and then I'm like, oh okay, हाँ ये सब चीजें मैंने कभी सोची ही नहीं, या I'll go deep in thoughts and I'll be like, okay, am I mentally okay, am I mentally healthy, या 1% भी मुझ में ऐसा है कहीं ना कहीं कि जिथे मला असं वाटतंय की माझी मेंटल हेल्थ कदाचित नाही ओके, आई नीड टू थिंक अबाउट दिस, आई नीड टू टॉक टू समवन अबाउट दिस. सो हाउ डू पीपल आइडेंटिफाई दैट, हाउ डू पीपल नो दैट?
See, I think 99% of people have issues with mental health.
Seriously?
Yes. And the reason I'm saying,
like almost all of us.
Almost everyone. I'll tell you the reason why I'm saying that. And when we say mental health is not just schizophrenia, personality disorder, and frustration, anger, those are major chunks that happen.
Correct.
But when I'm saying a lot of people have issues with mental health is because, see, you understand mental health म्हणजे काय? Your mental stability.
Yeah.
Mental stability कधी येते when you're unbiased, when you see things for the way you're saying, you don't have a prejudgmental notion. When all of those things are clear, and people don't realize again, your psychology plays a big role on your mental health. Your psychology plays a big role on your spiritual health. Your spiritual health plays a big role on your psychology and leading to mental health.
Correct.
And your mental health is about not just you, about the way you were brought up. तुमच्या आई वडील कसे होते, त्यांचं बिहेवियर कसं होतं, पालक, like we say, parents, शिक्षक, तुमचे टीचर्स कसे होते, what were your peer pressures, what kind of competition you went through. All of those things create a way of thinking for you.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay, so a way of thinking, when we say we have major issues astat. If you have major, like you get triggered out very quickly.
Yeah.
Like I said, 99% everybody has thoda here and there, everybody has. But that is fine. Okay, everybody has to deal, because now if you are mentally completely stable, perfectly, you will be spiritually very stable and you will go, there's no need. Story over. But because we are not, the major chunks je had, frustration, कोणी काय बोललं की इरिटेट होतं का, दॅट इज वन थिंग. कोणी काय तुम्हाला बोललं की हे मला बरोबर नाही वाटत आहे, डू यू गेट ऑफेंडेड? If you're getting offended, that means first of all तुमच्या स्पिरिच्युअल लेवल मध्ये गडबड आहे. बिकॉज एनिथिंग यू से टू मी, गुड और बॅड, यू टेल मी अंशुल यू व्हेरी नाइस, थँक यू अंशुल, आई डोंट लाईक यू, थँक यू. Neither ways मला काय फरक पडायला नको ना. My mental stability is not dependent on what you are telling me. For an example sake, so if this is triggering me, if you tell me कि Anshul, I don't like you, and if it triggers me कि मैं आज होप ना आली, then there is something wrong in my mind.
Yeah.
I'm not able to accept that. Then again, mental stability, if you feel mental issues like the way you were telling, if you want to pick those out and triggers बघायचे असतील तर तुम्हाला irritate होतं का, राग येतं का, do you really, are you feeling jealous?
Correct.
People think jealousy is nothing, it's just competition, but no, this is something wrong in your head. When you're feeling jealous about somebody, there is something really going wrong because you're comparing to somebody.
Correct.
And then it creates one after the other. It creates a replication in your own head. Relationships मध्ये तुमच्या issues होतात का? If your mental level is not clean and clear, your relationships will have a problem. Many times I'll say कि तेजस्विनी आप है ना, मुझे ये नहीं अच्छा लगता, आप मेरे हिसाब से रहिए. मगर मैं आपको ये बोलूंगी पर मैं तो मेरे हिसाब से रहूंगी.
Yeah.
Relationship में ये बहुत होता है.
Adjustments, not trying to understand the other person. Since we're talking about mental health, एक question आया है अंशुल हमारे पास कि physically fit रहने के लिए जैसे हम exercise करते हैं, तो what can we do to stay mentally fit, mentally healthy?
Mentally healthy रहने के लिए many aspects है. पहली चीज तो आप give enough oxygen to your head, physical brain.
Okay.
आप pranayam karo, like anulom vilom karo, which is breathing in and breathing out every single morning. Do not do it in the center of a traffic jam because you're just going to breathe in carbon dioxide. Don't do that. Sit in a place and open your window, because sometimes what happens, no, मैं signal पे I'm doing, अरे भाई तुम्हारा AC चल रहा है, बाहर carbon dioxide है, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? I've seen people doing that in their car, so I'm making it clear, don't do that. Because it can hit your head, you know, it makes you feel dizzy. Then you can, one of those things, you can start prioritizing yourself. Take a journal, लिखूं ठेवा कि what is my trigger points. पहले लगेगा कि क्या बकवास है ना, थोड़ा सा लिखने से क्या होगा. लिखने से होगा ये कि आपका कॉन्शियसनेस, आपका कॉन्शियस माइंड अवेयर हो जाएगा कि भैया ये पिकअप कर रहे हैं चीजों को.
करेक्ट.
ये पिकअप कर रहे हैं मतलब ये कुछ ना कुछ तो इसका करने वाले. And then it will start triggering, and फिर धीरे धीरे करके every time something is going on, when you start ticking your the list, no, the list will become smaller and smaller, और नई नई चीजें आने लगेगी. That you can do to create, you know, because that will become your mirror.
Correct.
If not, meditation is one of the best ways, but again, it's a very abused word. आप विजुअल मेडिटेशंस कर लो, थोड़ा सा मिरर में आप देख के खुद से बात क्लियरली कर लो, टू कीप मेंटल बैलेंस इन योरसेल्फ. Whatever is happening in your life, even if you're feeling jealous, angry, competitive, write it down. These things will help on a very root level, on a very basic root level, कि उसको बढ़ने ही ना दे. Other things that
I have from this session, I've learned acceptance of the situation. And of whatever is happening, instead of cribbing, just accept, take it in. I think we should just, try.
Yeah, and I think more than acceptance, no, the first step before the acceptance is awareness. And yeah, I think the best way is to see your life. जिनको सिनेमा पसंद है, वो see your life as the movie. जिनको ऊंचाई पसंद है, तो see your life as you seeing from up. एक holistic view देखिए. And see, because वो जब हम बचपन में डॉट से खेलते थे, आपको पता है, आपने भी खेला होगा, वो when you used to like join dots and then a picture comes.
Yeah.
Our life is like that. वो हर एक बिंदु को धीरे धीरे करके आप जब ज्वाइन करोगे, आप ऊपर से देखोगे तो ही आपको ऐसे दिखेगा, तो नहीं दिखेगा पिक्चर. आप जब ऐसे उसको सामने से देखोगे ना पिक्चर को, when all the dots are joined, you will see that there's a picture that emerges. See your life like that. And when you see it, it might sound like, अच्छा उसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है, but when you try doing it, and try doing it tonight, look at your 5 years, look at it holistically, and you will see that it is fantastically, rolled exactly the way it is supposed to happen. And when you see that, you will realize that everything is happening for a reason.
Okay.
And when it is happening for a reason, there is no reason to worry. So then your mental stress is naturally going to go कि वैसे भी नहीं करना है, ऐसे भी नहीं करना है, जियो जीना है तो. So slowly, but it's not an overnight thing. धीरे धीरे करके छोटे छोटे steps लेके आपको वो create करना पड़ेगा अपने आप के लिए. Speak to somebody, speak to somebody who can actually help. And please do not speak to people who generally say कि हाँ वो बहुत चल रहा है आजकल. Talk to me, my doors are open. I read that post and it's very funny because my John, you do not know how to speak to the person who's in a mess.
Yeah.
आप काउंसलिंग नहीं दे पाओगे, आप उनको और मेसअप कर दोगे. So please speak to somebody who knows what they are speaking about.
Absolutely. There's one more question. I'll just keep asking you so that we can connect
Sure.
on the answers.
Sure.
So, spirituality is often misunderstood by people. So, how would you explain spirituality in layman's terms? Is what the question is. And what is that one simple thing that we can do to cope with the second wave of COVID? Is what these are the questions.
Okay, so I will mix the two things. First, I'll speak about spirituality. Yes, it is very, very abused word. It's one of the highest abused words in today's era because everybody wants to become spiritual. Spirituality means उसको अगर हम शब्द को तोड़े, like जिसमें मैं बोलती भावार्थ और शब्दार्थ को अगर हम बोले अध्यात्म. Okay, English I don't really enjoy as much because they have one word for many meanings. Right. And they have many meanings to one particular word and they don't really express the real meaning of the word. So let's understand that with Hindi. Okay, Sanskrit word. अध्यात्म जो हम बोलते हैं. तो जो इंसान अपनी आत्मा का अध्ययन करे,
okay,
उसको अध्यात्म बोलते हैं.
Correct.
So when you are trying to understand your spirit being, the way you are, what you are, it is that journey is called a spiritual journey. Okay, and in layman's word I'm saying. Okay, so this is what it is. There is no hocus pocus to it that healing है और ये है और वो, उन सब झमेले में नहीं पड़ना है. सिंपल सा मीनिंग है. जब मैं अपने आप को समझने की, that journey to understand myself is my adhyatmic journey.
Yeah.
Spirituality means understanding your spirit being, where, what, how, when, what it is, and experiencing that your spirit being is the whole universe. That you have to experience. It's each one's experience by itself. And that is what spirituality is in layman's term. Simple.
Correct.
Okay. And uske kafi ang limbs now people have kind of said कि healing है तो spiritual है and hypnosis है तो spiritual है and you're meditating तो आप spiritual हो गए. आप meditate करो, healing करो, and I'm not saying no because we all do that, but person who is healing not necessarily will be spiritual.
Correct.
And somebody who is extremely spiritually oriented may not bother to do healing.
Correct.
Okay. So जैसे जैसे आत्मा को समझेगा वैसे वैसे उसमें वैसे भी वो जागृत होने लगेगा कि वो कुछ भी सोचे तो आपको क्रिएट कर देगा. बट वो करना कि नहीं करना वो इंसान के व्यक्तित्व पे, his own personal decision. That is his decision. So if you want to become more spiritually oriented, start questioning. सिंपल सी बात है. इतना सवाल करो कि सवाल ना रहे. Okay, सवाल should not make any more sense to you. The second question was how do we deal with the second wave of COVID? That was the question. Please, first of all, stay safe. Simple. I know it's a very cliche thing to say. Everybody's saying stay safe. Stay safe, yes. But secondly, please practice pranayam. It's very, very important. अपने वेद पुराण के जो मेजर अभ्यास है, 8 लिम्ब है, उनमें सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट प्राणायाम है. क्योंकि जब हमारे सोलर प्लेक्सस विच इज हियर, जहां से एनर्जी आती है, वेयर योर लाइफ सोर्स हैपेंस, प्राण आता है उसमें, लाइफ इज कमिंग. सो प्राणायाम इज बेसिकली टेकिंग योर वायु इनसाइड एंड लीविंग इट. अगर वो बंद हो गया ना तो आप वैसे भी फिनिश्ड हो. So pranayam important है because you are taking in that life force, clearing that lungs out, clearing your oxygen levels. Correct. Extremely, extremely important. Second thing that you need to do is try staying in connect with yourself. Okay, acceptance to hai, like I said, awareness, acceptance, both the things are there. But at the same time, take the opportunity to stay connected with yourself. Try simple meditation techniques like breathing hai, ya connecting hai, visualization hai, and try to, just absorb the energy. Connect with the right people. Read the right content. Please don't waste your time on okay, spend some time, but don't waste too much time on reels. Okay. Because I see and people ने कहा मैं बैठा था मैं भूल गया मैंने कहा यार 2 घंटा हो गया. What are you doing? Don't waste your time. You know, spend that time in reading something. No, watch the content, but watch content that is going to feed you good content that is going to help you grow.
Yeah.
Okay, so watch that kind of content. It will help you move. थोड़ा आपको ये नहीं समझ आएगा कि कौन सी चीज आपके दिमाग में, दिल में, जहन में घर कर गई जो आपको 4 साल बाद में हेल्प कर देगी ग्रो करने के लिए.
Correct.
So use that time for that. And with relationships also, people having issues in COVID times, try not to barge on relationships. You know, whenever whatever is happening, it's also happening internally. आप जो भी create कर रहे हो या जो भी आपके साथ हो रहा है ना, वो internally ज़्यादा हो रहा है externally से.
Correct.
So these 2-3 things you can, you know, try to just breathe in and let go. This too shall pass. This too shall pass.
Absolutely. Anshul, shall we take one last question? I know you
Yes,
have something at 8 p.m. if I'm not wrong.
I have a full moon meditation.
Oh. Achha, okay. Just one last question. So Rucha has asked us, how can we control things that, you know, small things that trigger us?
You can't control anything.
You know, like the irritation. Talking about how do we control?
Yes, you can't control anything.
Rucha, that's your answer?
You can't control. What you can do is remove it from the root.
Yeah.
You can understand it. You can't control it. The minute you understand, it will go any which ways.
Correct.
आप अगर कोई आपको बोले ना कि मैं आपको कुछ जड़ी बूटी दे दूं ना आप कंट्रोल कर लोगे आपका गुस्सा कम हो जाएगा, नॉनसेंस. नहीं होने वाला. You can't control something. Yeah. The more you try to control, imagine, no, yeah, I mean, if you try to put like a jack in the box and you try to push it down, जब खुले कभी ना कभी तो खुलेगा ना. It's gonna pop out.
Yeah.
So don't try to control it. Try to understand कि इसका root cause क्या है, ये हो क्यों रहा है. अगर आपके जिंदगी में छोटी चीजों से भी ट्रिगर हो रहा है ना, तो ये अभी का इशू नहीं, ये कहीं पीछे टाइम का इशू है. Maybe 2 years back, 3 years back, 10 years back, 20 years back, I don't know. But there is an issue that has triggered you somewhere. And that issue is showcasing now. So you have to figure out what the issue, what the root cause of your irritation is. काफी बार root cause insecurity होता है, डर होता है, identity crisis होता है, या फिर it can be just fear of losing respect, या फिर कुछ भी हो सकता है. So figure out what your root cause is, understand that, accept that you know either we have to deal with fear. So learn that and then naturally धीरे धीरे करके आप वो उस चीज को in your words control कर पाओगे. Another way you can do is start being aware of it. कि मुझे गुस्सा, for example गुस्सा, you know, trigger कर गया, गुस्सा आ गया. गुस्सा होने के बाद अच्छा मुझे आया, accept. 2 बार होगा, 3 बार होगा, 4थी बार आपको लगेगा कि हाय मुझे अभी गुस्सा आ रहा है. This is triggering me now.
Yeah.
Okay, and you will still get angry. But around the 8th time, if you're aware, 8th or the 9th time, you will your conscious mind will tell you कि अभी आने वाला, this is going to trigger you.
Yeah.
And around the 11th time, you will say अच्छा छोड़ ना यार कौन मेहनत करेगा, बाद में वैसे भी बहुत परेशानी होती है, forget it.
Yeah.
And this happens. This has happened with zillions of people I've dealt with. Just be aware, it will naturally mellow down. There is no जड़ी बूटी to it. कि मैं कुछ खाऊं एक pill 2 times a day and गुस्सा या फिर stop triggering me. I'm being very honest and very, very open about it because otherwise, you know, there is no point in me sugarcoating something which will not help you.
Exactly. Yeah.
अगर मैं आपको कुछ मीठा बोल दूं कि नहीं आप ऐसे ऐसे बैठो और ऐसे ऐसे करो ना आपका कंट्रोल हो जाएगा, नहीं होने वाला. जब तक हाँ, when you breathe, बहुत अगर इरिटेट हो रहा है तो क्विक आपको अगर सोल्यूशन चाहिए तो मैं आपको दे सकती हूँ, बट दैट इज अ टेम्पररी सोल्यूशन. ब्रीथ फ्रॉम योर लेफ्ट नोस्ट्रिल. ये चंद्र नाड़िका है, ये आपको रिलैक्स करती है. ये सूर्य नाड़िका है. अगर आप दिन में हम देखेंगे तो यूजुअली ब्रीथ फ्रॉम द राइट बिकॉज इट इज अ सूर्य नाड़िका. एंड रात में हम यूजुअली वी ब्रीथ फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट नोस्ट्रिल बिकॉज ये इंट्यूटिव, नर्चरिंग, कूलिंग है. So when you're really getting triggered, you just, and even with high BP, just breathe in and out through your left nostril. It will immediately calm you down.
Oh, okay.
But that's a temporary solution.
Yeah, absolutely.
I hope I've answered your question. I forgot her name. I can't see it.
Rucha. Her name was Rucha, and
Rucha
yeah,
ji.
we had a couple
Rucha
of
ji. I
questions.
hope I've answered your questions.
Absolutely. So I think Anshul, बहुत सारे सवाल और आ रहे हैं actually, but I think
I can
ये
take one more maybe. Just let me see the time. I can probably take one more
you can take
if
one
you
more.
want.
Uh, yeah, I'll have to scroll and check 1 minute.
मुझे
Uh,
आता ही नहीं है scroll करना इसमें से. I just so I said
No,
not
I
paid.
think we have answered this. Does anybody want to ask the question live, like join the video and ask Anshul a question? Anyone in the that can send me a request, I'll add you to the video quickly. अगर किसी को join करना है live video तो please request भेज देना, मैं add कर दूंगी आपको. It's been fun, Anshul. Thank you so much for doing this. I think it was
Same here.
necessary.
Same here.
And यार मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें हैं बात करने को, बट अगेन इट्स अ लाइव सेशन. अभी डिजिटलाइजेशन चल रहा है तो आमने सामने बात करने में
True,
ज्यादा
true.
मजा आएगा ऑब्वियसली. आई थिंक वी शुड डू दिस अगेन एंड इट्स गोना बेनिफिट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. इससे बहुत बहुत मदद होगी बहुत सारे लोगों को. एंड आई ठीक है, रिक्वेस्ट नहीं आ रही है, एक सवाल मुझे मिल गया. Yeah, okay. So Tejas is asking, what are the few habits that we should follow to stay mentally fit? I think we kind of answered that. If you could just quickly repeat what you had said.
Eat well, sleep well.
हाँ, मतलब ये बता दो एक सब लोगों को. नॉर्मली यार मुझे पता है इस लाइफ में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो 2-2, 3-3, 4-4 बजे सोते हैं. उन लोगों को बता दो ये क्या होता है.
Please sleep on time. Please see when the sun is rising. 5 बजे नहीं उठना है तो भी 6 बजे 7 बजे, but sleep on time. Take good amount of sleep. Your mind needs to process information, and if your mind needs to process information, उसको processing time दो. You don't overload the mind. Sleep well, eat good food, because सात्विक या फिर अच्छा खाना खाने से ना आपका mind भी वैसे ही देगा. If you eat a lot of tamasic food, your thoughts will be like that. So please do those two things are very important. Mentally fit, again, be with the right kind of people. तो एक को कुछ तो था, बोले संगी संगती बैठे बदले रंग, मीठी कुछ तो था वो, आम धूप से मिलके मीठी हो गई धूप, something like that. But basically it meant, I forgot that. It's a very very beautiful निदा फाजली की बहुत beautiful सी 2 लाइन है. But basically it means that you stay with the right kind of people.
Correct.
If you want to be mentally fit.
Correct.
जैसे आप संग में रहोगे, जैसे संग आपका ढंग और रंग भी वैसा रहेगा. So please choose your people very correctly. That eat, sleep, choose your people correctly, and work out. Mental and physical both.
Correct.
इसीलिए जो योग हम बोलते हैं ना, आजकल वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड में आप लोग सब योगा मतलब वैसे ऐसे ये एक्सरसाइज हो गया, बट योग इज एवरीथिंग. इट्स मेंटल, फिजिकल, इमोशनल, स्पिरिचुअल, ऑल ऑफ इट. तो फिजिकल भी करो, मेंटल भी करो. बोथ 3 things you have to do. So to be mentally fit, I think all of these things are important. But very important, please sleep well.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, you will start getting Alzheimer's and amnesia after 10-20 years. Nobody is sleeping. Because लोग सो नहीं रहे ना. People are not sleeping, and there's so much of content that's one more thing, very important for becoming mentally fit. Please put your damn phone aside for 20 minutes before you sleep. Do not slide it under your pillow.
I don't do that, but I think I'm on my phone till the last minute. Like before I sleep, I'm just checking
20 minutes.
कितने views मिले हैं, कितने likes मिले हैं. But yeah, I think that's very important.
20 minutes बिना phone का आप, even if you're staring at the ceiling, it's okay. But 20 minutes no phone before you sleep. Or no TV also, by the way. नहीं तो बोलेंगे laptop चलेगा. So don't do that. No digital.
I think I'm going to follow that from today. Yeah, what you said was absolutely right. So, guys, I hope you got your answer. Stay with the right people. Follow their energy. Take all the positive energy from them. People
you can connect me on Instagram if you want. I'm more than happy to connect.
Absolutely. You can connect with Mod Monk Anshul on Instagram. You can ask her questions. You can connect with her personally. like she said, stay with people who give you energy, who give you positive vibes, who inspire you to do something new every day, and who keep sharing thoughts and like good thoughts and good ideas with you every day, which make you feel anxious कि अरे हाँ ये करना है, वो भी करना है, ये भी देखना है, and
जिंदगी जी लो जब तक है.
yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much, Anshul, for joining us today. It was so nice talking to you, and I hope we connect soon, and I hope you keep following our series, The Masked Heroes. We have unmasked you today, and it was really nice talking to you. Keep inspiring all of us, keep helping people, keep motivating us, because people like you, we need people like you who kind of push us to do something new every day. बहुत thank you. Dil se thank you.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you everyone for being live, and I hope to see you soon.
Absolutely. Bye-bye.
Outside the screen.
Bye, Anshul. See you.
Bye. Take care. Namaskar.
Namaskar.